Hi, in today's video I want to talk to you about 2022 Toyota Corolla. I just got this car last night and I was really surprised how big change we have between 2022 and my old 2018 Toyota Corolla. So I just thought I'm gonna give you a couple of my thoughts. So first of all, the car runs so much smoother, has a little bit more kick. Why? Because this car has 2.0 liters engine. My 2018 that's 2018. This one has 1.8 engine. So you can see in the back, this is the old back, this is the new back. So immediately you can notice that this part of the back is a little bit more sloped down, and in Toyota 2018 this part is basically flat. So I remember when after the rain the water is basically standing right here. So talking about the shape, this looks pretty good, but 2022 looks much better. Also, what is very nice change, we have the antenna on the top, and also we have a front grille that looks much better. Now the biggest change is to the interior. We chose the interior with kind of light gray and dark black. It just looks so much better. Now the interior looks totally different because you don't have the flat surfaces over here like in 2018. You have those edges going straight in, which kind of, it's everybody has different tastes. It looks to me like it just takes a little bit too much space. It could have been pushed a little bit back then, but center console is a little bit bigger. Now the vents have totally been redesigned. We no longer have rounded vents. We have those kind of like a elongated shape. We have a color display right here, which when you drive also gives you really cool features, like the camera that is located right here can read the signs, and this panel shows you the speed on the signs, because this camera that is right here is picking up the signs. Now one thing that I'm not crazy about is there are too many buttons, I think, crowded right in this area. I liked a little bit less buttons and my cruise control right on the bottom. But it is what it is, everybody has a different taste. Also, this part has been redesigned totally. Now we have a big screen that is touch screen. If I want to turn AC on, all I can do is just push the auto button and this will start working. New feature is, comparing to of course 2018, we have an eco heat and cooling. So this has totally been redesigned, fan speed, and we can change of course direction. I have not set up the whole computer yet. So far I have to say I love the car and it drives incredibly smooth. I don't know what they did, but it kind of glides and I like that feeling. It is a really good feeling. Oh, also right over here you have a compartment where you're gonna put your phone, and then you have USB connectors which will connect your phone straight to navigation and all the other apps that are gonna be available on this 2022 Toyota Corolla. The console in the middle, before was basically totally now straight. Now it's kind of going from the little bit higher level down, and cup holders are here. So another cool feature is when you on park, your parking brake is automatically applied. and then you have an indicator right here. Once you change the gear, then this will automatically disengage. Of course, you have a nice backup camera. This is how it looks inside, and you have a split seat, and of course you can drop in the middle this port with the cup holders. On the sides you have attachments for child seats, and of course you can drop down the seats, and you have the button right over there. Right here you can also turn off your traction control, and right here on the side you have automatic beam adjustment, and here you can just change the brightness of your entire screen. You have lights with the mirrors, and now new cool feature, you have emergency parking. So if you pull this, your car can call 911, and then you have additional buttons for the lights. Now this is the trunk, which is basically the same size as my 2018. Pretty big, nice and tall right here, and of course you have a spare tire, which is the small donut, and some tools. And now we can change different settings on the steering wheel. We can go switch between different displays. So eco mode like this, we can go distance to empty and miles per gallon. That's what I like in green. So right now we see how many miles per gallon we have. We can click up. I'm driving about 30 miles per hour now. We can click to the right, and it shows us what the camera actually sees, and more info. Everything is in the steering wheel on the left hand side. And now we can go here and change all the other settings, but I'll have to do it when I'm not gonna be